Let's welcome right now, Gyptian!
I just want you to know we are celebrating Bob Marley for sure. Na 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 na. Just the other day, you see that she asked me my name, and then I told her Gyptian. Immediately, she said, boy, I gotta give you something from her body. And I said, baby, quickly. She said, I don't want you to tell nobody. And then I give it to you so easy. I said, with me, baby, you don't need to worry. She said, oh, I never felt so right. And I said, yes, my baby, breathe on me tonight. And she said, oh, no, she never felt so right. And I said, yes, my baby, breathe on me tonight. Woman of my dreams, you've become reality. Out of my subconsciousness and my immortality. I'm the happiest man in the, because I have you for my, and I promise you, my baby, I'm gonna take you on tours around. Yeah, baby, she said, oh, nah, she never felt so right. And I said, yeah, my baby, breathe on me tonight. And she said, oh, I never felt so right. And I said, yeah, baby, breathe on me tonight. Just the other day, said I ran into this beautiful lady. She asked me where may I go. I me tell her we are celebrating Bob Marley birthday. Yeah, immediately. She said, boy, I gotta give you something from her body. I said, baby, baby, quickly. She said, don't want you to say that I give it to you. And I said, she don't need to worry. She said, ooh, never felt so right. And I said, ready on Gyptian tonight. Yeah, that's alright. Oh, baby, breathe on me, breathe on me, breathe on me. Yeah, she said, no, never, 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 never. Is it? A Bob Marley birthday in a Gyptian, a beautiful ladies, can you scream for me? What up? You know, see all over the place, I'll be a madness. But tonight, we never choose it. A reggae month. A reggae ear for me, you know. Because we're all over. You understand? So, this song start with the I. From 2004. Yeah, we win Sting. No, not Sting. We win a Portmore talent search. Yeah. Big up to Earl in one. I mean, so big up to Chinna the same way. From the foundation, I said start. Yeah, yeah. Stay na 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 na. Yeah, 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 yeah. Oh, well, let's go. Violence and full time for us to live and socialize and realize. So let the sun shine throughout every. Let the moon shine through the peaceful night. This is 7th time and 7th time. But I don't really believe in that. Cause a lot nobody knows. See, sometimes you think it's peace and safety. It could be your first distraction. See, you wake up this morning, you better give thanks. You don't know if you're gonna live to see tomorrow. Life is much more precious than gold. And have the truth of the truth. Wake up, wake up, wake up, chop. Say, Bonnie, watch how you are. A straight drive by. Say, Bonnie, the youths are real. Wake up, a straight then go straight left the chop. Tell my down the road, them say they can't do the gun. And we can't come in and shots like this. Only the innocent love. So I say, Jesus. All I can see around us is good people tonight. Socialize. So let the sun shine throughout every day. The moon shine through the peaceful night. This is 7 times right and 7 times wrong. But I don't really believe in that. Cause life continues. If you really want to know it, have the truth. Have the truth. No. Jamaica, we there, yeah. 2020, 23, yeah. So the right amount of 20 then. You know, something again, yeah. From them time then. I jump the same way I want. No accolades. Yeah. We're gonna step out so nice and easy tonight. It's an honor to be here. I'll be up to all of the important people, Miss Jamaica, the government team, the fans, Miss Babs, big up yourself. Yes, man, Nitty Cushion and the people in my place to see me. All of the team. Yeah.